Hello, we are given that the first term in some sequence, it's called, the first term is called A1, the first term equals 7, and we have to find the value of the third term. And the information that's going to help us here is if you know the current term, then you can find the next term by using the formula A sub n plus 1 equals negative 3 A sub n plus 3. So now in this problem, we have to find the value of A sub 3. So A sub 3 actually will be your A n plus 1 here. So let's actually substitute in the formula here. So I'm going to say so we're going to use this formula for the sequence. So substitute in the formula. So substituting in the formula. So to find any term that has the order n plus 1 in the sequence, that's the formula, right? So now this 3 is equivalent to n plus 1, which means n is actually 2. That means if you know the second term, you can find the third term. Do we know the second term here? We don't. So we have to find the term, the second term first. So let's use the formula first to find the second term. So if I'm finding the second terms, I'm going to substitute in the formula n equals 1. So now I get a sub 1 plus 1, which will be actually a sub 2. And this is equal to negative 3 a. Remember, we substituted the value 1 for n and then plus 3. Now we are actually given that a1 or the first term is 7. Let's substitute that. Negative 3 multiplied by a1 is 7 plus 3. So let's do the simplification here. So this will be negative 3 times 7, which is a negative 21 plus 3. Okay. So this is like I owe someone 21 bucks, but I only have 3. Do I have enough to pay? I don't. At the most, I can pay $3, and I still owe them $18. So just to use that analogy, I get the number that's negative 18 here. Let me write that here. So now we really have our second term, but we can't stop here. We need to find the third term, a sub 3. So now this will be, again, go back to the formula, negative 3 a sub 2 plus 3. So I'm going to show the substitution here. So this will be, okay, let me take it to the next column here. So this is a3 equals negative 3. And we have a sub 2 to be negative 18. Then plus 3. Okay. So negative 3 times negative 18 will be 54, a positive 54 plus 3. So we were required to find the third term, A3, and we do have it now, which is 57. I hope you find this helpful.